Listening, speaking, I was good in the previous scorecard, but now I got like perfect 90s.
Yes.
And that's all because of Language Academy's softwares, which helped me every day. I used to practice 2 or 3 mock tests, and then I wasn't even afraid of all these sections. I was only afraid of writing and reading because those 2 sections I missed by 1-2 marks. But the way they teach us, the way the material they have, it's amazing.
Hi guys, this is Parth here signing in from Language Academy City branch. I'm very proud and excited to have Akshat here with me, who has recently claimed 25 points towards his permanent residency. Yes, that's right. He got 8 each in PDE and he also claimed his points for Nati Hindi. I'm sure Akshat you are feeling very great, very relieved. I want to know how was your journey?
Journey was pretty good. So let's talk about Nati first.
Yeah.
So in Nati, I studied from LA Parramatta, and all the tutors were amazing. They especially focused on each and every student. They have good dialogue materials, and which is very important for Nati. And I studied only for 7 days, but yeah, it was brilliant. I cleared my Nati very easily.
Now talking about Nati Hindi, you don't have a Hindi background back home.
No.
And you don't practice Hindi in your day-to-day life. You have a Gujarati background, right? And I'm sure that there are tons of students out there who get confused at whether they can do this or not. And sometimes they end up preparing for the exam by themselves and they have to give for another attempt because they couldn't clear it, because they don't have the right resources. So what do you think is the importance of coaching in Nati Hindi?
Nati coaching is very important because most important thing is dialogue practice and someone to correct it. And Language Academy has the best teachers, I tell you frankly. They have the best teachers, they have the best material, and the way they make us prepare, only 7 days is enough for Nati according to my experience. Rest depends on person to person, but Nati perfect. Like I can't give less than 5 stars, 5 out of 5.
It's not just about 7 days. Let me correct this. You at least need 3 to 4 weeks depending on your experience. 7 days because he was very hardworking. He was very dedicated and focused. He gave everything he had during those 7 days, and he got this done. And now talking about PDE, initially you did preparation by yourself last year, and then you thought that you missed by just 1 mark or 2 mark in one of the 2 sections, and then you realized that you can do this at later stage. It's considered to be done. But then you realized that no, you don't want to waste any of your attempts, you don't want to waste your money, you want to get a certain amount of direction in terms of what you're doing is correct or not. So what do you think is the importance of your guidance here, or coming to an institute, or having a lab atmosphere?
PT study really needs focus, first thing, and someone to motivate you, and perfect material which you need, right? Over here in Language Academy, they have softwares. Like you can really practice mock test every day. That is very important. Listening, speaking, I was good back, like
Yeah, in
the
your previous
past as well,
scorecards, yes.
in the previous scorecard, but now I got like perfect 90s.
Yes.
And that's all because of Language Academy's softwares, which helped me every day. I used to practice 2 or 3 mock tests, and then I wasn't even afraid of all these sections. I was only afraid of writing and reading because those 2 sections I missed by 1-2 marks 2 times before.
Yes.
2 times before I missed by 2 marks and 1 mark in these 2 sections. So, but the way they teach us, the way the material they have, it's amazing.
Yes guys, it's very important to have right guidance, right approach, and you need to be in a certain mindset that you will get this done. If you are demotivated, if you don't want to get this done, you won't be able to get the result. You cannot do the same thing and practice the different results. No, you have to change your technique. You need to get the feedback. You need to talk to your tutors. So communication here is very important. It's not just a one-way street, it's a two-way street. Talk to your tutors, talk to your mentor, and get this done, because this is very easy. Yeah, definitely it's not like a walk in the park. You need to get things right, but yes, of course you can get this done. So there's no point of being demotivated. So if you're one of the students who is demotivated, who thinks that there's no point of doing PT or you cannot get this done, please come and have a chat with us. We'll discuss your case and we will make sure that you get what you are seeking. Thank you and congratulations, Akshat.
Thank you.
Nice having you.
Thank you.